In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money with Zelle through Truist Bank. Whether you're sending money to a friend, paying back a family member, or settling a bill, using Zelle through the Truist mobile app is a straightforward and secure way to send money directly from your bank account. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step, ensuring you feel confident and secure in your online banking experience. First, you'll need to open the Truist mobile app on your smartphone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, make sure to do so from your device's app store for an optimal experience. Once the app is open, you'll be prompted to enter your user ID and password, which are crucial for ensuring your account's security. So take a moment to double check your credentials before moving forward. Now, after you've successfully entered your login information, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. This will take you into the main dashboard of your account where you'll have access to various banking options. Next, you'll need to look for the tab labeled Transfer. Clicking on this will reveal several options related to moving your money around, but for today, our focus will primarily be on Zelle. Now, under this transfer section, locate and click on the option that says Send Money with Zelle. Now that you're in the Zelle interface, you'll want to click on the button labeled Send Money. If this is your first time using Zelle, you might have to agree to some terms of service before proceeding, so be sure to read through those carefully. As you proceed, you'll be prompted to choose a recipient. If you've sent money to this person before, you'll likely see them under recent recipients, but if you haven't or if this is a new transaction, click on Add Recipient. You'll need either their email address or mobile number to add them. Ensuring this information is correct is essential since your money needs to go to the right place. Once your recipient is selected, it's time to enter the amount you'd like to send. Type in the specific amount in the designated field. Take a moment to review the entered amount to make sure it is accurate, aligning with what you intend to send. After you've input the amount, click on Review. This is a crucial step where you'll see a summary of the transaction, including the recipient's details and the amount you're about to send. Carefully go over this review, and if everything looks good, you're all set. Finally, you'll click on Send. At this point, your money will be on its way through Zelle to the recipient, usually arriving within minutes for registered users. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to transferring money using Zelle through Truist Bank. Remember, digital banking is about making your life easier by offering efficient and swift financial management right at your fingertips. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for joining me today, and happy banking.